now we'll finally get in detail and start up to understand each step of the 7C consulting model, starting with the client stage. This stage is obviously all about understanding your client, say the VP you are consulting. The goals of the stage are to have a very clear expectation setting and to have a common understanding about the roles of consultant and consultee on both sides. So the VP needs to understand your value proposition, what you are going to do for him and what you're not going to do for him. And also you need to get a picture of the contribution that the VP wants to bring and can bring, and you need a commitment from his side. How you do this? Kind of obvious. You just do a very intensive expectation check. So you check out what kind of consultancy the VP needs and wants. Classically, people are very different in this point. You may have people in your cluster who will need you a lot. There may be others who merely want to be left alone. Just check out clearly who wants a lot of consultancy in order to invest your energy properly. Then of course you need to check out if both of you are on the same page about this, and you need to answer the question if you're capable and willing to give the kind of consultancy your VP would like to have from you. A very important point, in my opinion, is to write everything down that you're agreeing upon in this stage. Especially the responsibility of the VP and the consultant, and also the rules you guys want to have for your consulting process. So you do some kind of agreement on your consulting planning. I've made a template for this, what it could look like. This is it. So you just fill in this table together, and I've made a simple example to make you understand it. For example, your goal is to create documentation of an OPCO organization process. For that, you use 2 channels of consulting. As your VP has got no clue at all, you do a consulting visit to start up, and afterwards you follow up in calls. The timing for the consulting visit, obvious, it's once, and you've got bi-weekly calls. And now it comes to a very important point, in my opinion. For each and every measure that you take in consulting, do an evaluation from both sides. Because this is actually the point where you can learn a lot, and that helps you to make your consultancy more efficient throughout the term. For example, you take your consulting visit. From your perspective, it was totally awesome. For your VP, it was more like not that awesome. And in that case, you'll profit a lot from checking out with him what went wrong in this consulting visit. For the other case, you've got awesome calls and your VP likes them very much as well. So you two can just have a beer and everyone's happy. So this is it already for the client stage, and just stay tuned for the clarifying stage.